Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, we'll be talking about top coats. By the way, just to be clear, this video is not sponsored by any of the brands that will be mentioned. And I'll be explaining how and when I use them as top coats. So, let's start with the first one, and it's Caronia's fast drying top coat. I use this top coat when I need a sticky base to stamp my reverse stamping nail art. As you can see, I'm applying one coat of it onto my nail. Then I'm waiting for it to dry a bit, just leaving a sticky kind of surface. Then I'm stamping the dried reverse stamp on my nail. Now let's do this to the rest of my nails. I'm applying the top coat. Then make sure that your reverse stamping image on your stamper is 100% dry. Then let's stamp it onto our nails. After all of that, it's time to apply a smudge-free or a non-smudge top coat. And I'm using this one. And until now, I don't know how to pronounce this brand properly. Is it OUL'ISI? Is it OUL'ISI? If some of you guys know, kindly leave it on the comment section. And as you can see, as I'm applying it, it doesn't smudge my nail art at all. Now let me show you a closer look. This is amazing, right? No smudges at all. Even if I'm applying it repeatedly onto my nail, it still remains neat and not smearing at all. I kinda bumped into this brand on Shopee as I was looking for a top coat. I'm super glad that I've tried this, and this one is like 32 pesos. And because I'm using it for quite some time now, I already bought 10 bottles. Just making sure that I have stocks on my own. I haven't really tried on just using this as a top coat for sealing my nail art. I always add another top coat, which is C&D's long wear top coat. I always see to it that I let my smudge-free top coat to dry first before applying long wear top coat by C&D. By the way, this one is super fast drying and it does not shrink your nail polish or nail art at all. Plus, its round edge brush is just so perfect. It makes applying top coat easier and mess-free. Then after that, I do apply another top coat. I know some of you might say, why do I apply so much top coat? And some of you may think that I'm a bit crazy with all of these layers of top coat. But layers of top coats results to hard peelies. Well, I always match my layers of top coats with a peel-off base coat. I mean, because of these amounts of top coats, I can easily peel them off perfectly and they remain in shape, unlike other nail peelies that curl in a long time. So for the last top coat, I use Colorless by Sassy Colors. I use this last because this one can shrink your nail polish or nail art if your nail polish or nail art is not yet fully dry. Plus, this top coat can be very glossy even if you are using too much alcohol to sanitize your hands. This one doesn't get dull in appearance. It remains quite shiny and glossy. And we're finally done! Before this video ends, let me show you a comparison of the top coats I use on a stamp design. I'm using Caronia's fast drying top coat. Then Colorless by Sassy Colors. Longwear Top Coat by C&D. And lastly, OUL'ISI's Top Coat. And here are all the results side by side. Oh, and before I forgot, for the matte top coat, I'm using PaintPolish. This one doesn't leave line marks or tiny dots. I've tried many matte top coats and all of them leave tiny particles and doesn't leave a fine and clean matte finish. And this one sure looks nice. And that's it for today's video. All of the links for the products in this video is available on the description box below. If you guys have any further questions, just leave it on the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!